Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amplitude Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Amplitude Analytics Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for analyzing user behavior and product usage data. It's primarily aimed at product managers, analysts, and marketers who need to understand how users interact with their applications or websites. Key features seem to include event tracking, dashboards for visualizing data, and segmentation capabilities for analyzing user groups. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Amplitude's positioning focuses on providing actionable insights from user data. They emphasize ease of use and the ability to quickly understand user journeys. Their website highlights features like real-time data updates and customizable dashboards. While specific pricing isn't readily available on the landing page without an account, it appears they offer various plans to cater to different needs and scales of usage. The technology relies on robust data collection and sophisticated analysis techniques. Availability is global, as it's a software-as-a-service solution accessible through the web. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Amplitude Analytics Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my application's data, and I was up and running within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard is well organized, and I quickly learned to build custom reports using their drag-and-drop functionality. For example, I was able to easily segment users based on their location and see how their behavior differed. Performance was excellent, data loaded quickly, and the platform never felt sluggish, even when analyzing large datasets. I had a quick question about a specific metric calculation, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the user segmentation capabilities, allowing for very granular analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though this didn't significantly impact my workflow. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but after consulting their extensive documentation, I managed to master those as well. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Amplitude Analytics. It's a powerful tool that has significantly improved my ability to understand user behavior and make data-driven decisions. That's my overview of Amplitude Analytics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.